Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. In last class we learned introduction part of straight line. Maybe you remember in that we learned slope of a line joining 2 points, angle between two straight lines, right? The parallel lines, perpendicular line, horizontal line, vertical, and everything we learned in the introduction part, as well as we solved one exercise problem. So maybe remember. Okay, now I'm moving to the very important topic of straight line. We are going to understand a more different type of straight lines under the different conditions. So heading is various forms of the equation of a line. We are going to understand the straight line through its equation. Why we are using here equations? Because this is a coordinate geometry, algebraical geometry. We are not doing any constructions. Okay, construction ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, because this is not a pure geometry. This is a coordinate geometry. Here we are using algebra ಅಂದ್ರೆ equations. Okay, so we are understanding the straight line using the equations, and equations will be in the different form. So condition, given data will be different. Depending on that, we are going to name the different form, and we are going to understand its derivation as well as problems part of it. Okay, so heading is various forms of the equation of a line. Under this heading, the first form is slope intercept form. It ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅದು ನೇಮ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, the given data are these two. One is slope ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ already. Another one is intercept. Maybe this term is new for you. Don't worry, I will explain that first. See, if a straight line cut x-axis like this, cut x-axis like this, then this distance, remember, this distance is known as x-intercept. Okay, x-intercept is nothing but distance. So the distance from the origin to the point where the line cut x-axis, is known as x-intercept. Similarly, this distance, e distance ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, so e distance y-intercept. So ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ that concept separate ಆಗಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, so easy to remember. If a line cut x-axis, okay, then distance from the origin to that point is known as x-intercept, and distance from the point to where the line cut y-axis is known as y-intercept. See, this distance can be negative as well as positive. See, ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? If a line cut like this, x-axis and y-axis, then x-intercept this distance may be 2, but it is in the negative direction, so x-intercept is -2. ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು. Okay, intercept is a directed distance ಅಂದ್ರೆ distance depending on the direction. So intercept can be positive, negative depending on the quadrant. ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So if x intercept cut positive x axis, then its distance is positive. If it cut negative x axis, then intercept is negative. ಅದೇ ತರ y intercept it cut positive y axis, then it is positive. Suppose it cut like this, then both are negative. ಈ ತರ ಕಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ x positive, y is negative. ಹೀ ಕಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಟು ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೇರ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಕಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್ intercept concept. Now what is the given data here? Given that the slope of the line as well as intercept, the particular intercept is y intercept. Exam question ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ for 3 marks. ಹೇಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Derive equation of the straight line with the slope m and y intercept c. Derive equation of a straight line with the slope and y intercept c. Derive ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. You have to find out. Prove that ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. y slope intercept form where c represent y intercept. Okay, so solution is like this or proof is like this. Okay, consider a line with slope m and y intercept c. So one simple diagram ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, simple diagram. So ಇದು ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ y axis. So this distance is c. ನೆನಪಿಲಿ ಇದರ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ m. Okay, this is x axis, this is y axis. Okay, either distance height c ಆದರೆ what are the coordinates of this point? Since it is on y axis, its coordinate is 0, c. Okay, now take one point on the line. Let p of x comma y be a point on the line, on the line anywhere you can take. I'll take here p of x comma y. Okay, idana c anta name mada. Okay, now we have a line with the slope m and 2 points on the line. So we know that, okay, the 4, or you can write therefore slope m, since you know the 2 points on the line, slope must be equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y minus c divided by x minus 0, that is y minus c by x, correct? Cross multiply. So this implies y minus c is equal to mx. This implies y is equal to mx plus c. So this is known as slope intercept form. So in this information, intercept is y intercept. Artha aita heltirado, very important. Okay, you may get in exam like derive equation of a straight line with the slope m and y intercept is c. Similarly, we have one more derivation. It's exactly similar to that, where the given data is not y intercept, x intercept. Okay, we are going to derive it now. Okay, I will give you that information, that equation of the line with the x intercept and slope given as a note. Okay, see this, take down this as a note. The equation of a line with slope m and x intercept b is, I'll not write the answer, I'll write first derivation, then I'll write the answer. Observe carefully. Explanation bariyalla, just I'll take one diagram directly. X axis, y axis, line cut x axis now with the distance b. The distance b agate. It slope n gotide already namge, yeah, m. So let me, okay, if this distance is b, this is b comma 0. I hope you will agree with me. Okay, I'll take one point on the line as p of x comma y. Now according to the concept which we learned in last class, slope, okay, slope I'll write here. Slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is y minus 0 divided by x minus b, alva? Y minus 0 divided by x minus b, that is m is equal to y by x minus b. So this implies y is equal to m into x minus b. So this is the equation of straight line with the x intercept and slope is given. So please remember this formula, definitely very useful to answer some problem directly. Otherwise you have to use this concept again and again. So here two formula in particular, the previous formula y is equal to mx plus c for the y intercept and y is equal to m into x minus b for x intercept. So first form of equation of straight line is over, that is slope intercept form. X intercept bandirbodu, or you may get y intercept. So let me take one example to use this formulas. First example, okay, the equation of a line with slope minus 2 and y intercept 3 is, can you tell me what is the equation of the straight line with the slope minus 2 and y intercept is 3? Yeah, illi y intercept kodu yav formula use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, y is equal to mx plus c formula use ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, where what is the value of m minus 2, what is the value of c 3, because c represent y intercept. Substitute y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. See, final answer of the equation of a straight line must be in the form of a linear equation of the two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It must be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So then rearrange madodage. So coefficient of x negative idre left hand side tagomani, coefficient of x positive idre right hand side, left hand side and right hand side tagomani aste. Okay, that's it. So this represent equation of the straight line with slope minus 2 and y intercept is 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ax plus by plus c ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಟು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್. ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. I hope you can remember, right? So let me take one more example for the next equation. So second example, the equation of a line, with slope half and x-intercept is -3 is, and then slope intercept can be negative, remember that. So what is the equation? Y is equal to m into x minus b, where m is equal to half and b is equal to -3. Now substitute y is equal to half into x plus 3. Again I am telling that the final answer must be in the form of ax plus b plus c is equal to 0 form. So cross multiply x plus 3, cross multiply, you will get this. Now keep this in the x plus by plus c is equal to form. Since the coefficient of x is positive, bring left hand side to right hand side. So plus 2y will become minus 2y. So final answer is x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So we completed the first form of equation of straight line, where the given data are slope as well as the intercept, maybe x intercept or maybe y intercept. So for ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ you will get the answers like this. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So first form of equation of straight line is over. So similarly we have 5 more form of, okay, we will discuss one by one just like this, derivation and examples. Okay, next form of equation of straight line, slope point form. So the name itself explains that here the two given data are slope as well as the point of the given line. So the statement will be like this: the equation of a line with slope m and the point, and passes through the point x1 y1 is. So example here keltare question, derive equation of a line with the slope m and passes through the point x1 y1. Here I am giving the answer, but in exam question paper alli answer bandiralla, ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ derive ಅಥವಾ find ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, prove that ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. Okay, so here I am giving the answer, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So if they ask prove that, but it's a rare possibility, if they ask prove that, then okay, answer will be known, otherwise you have to remember the answer. Okay, so what is the statement? The derive equation of a line with the slope m and passes through the point x1 y1, that is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So proof is again very simple. Okay, observe carefully. So consider a line with slope m and passes through a point P of x1 comma y1. So I'll write one simple diagram, very simple diagram, observe carefully. A line with the slope m and passes through the point. Okay, so the slope is m and one point is already known, which is x1 y1. I named this as a P. So let me take one point on the line. Let q of x comma y be a point on the same line, So let me take another point here as x comma y with the name as q. Yeah, slope is known, 2 points is known. So how to now get the equation of this kind? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Again the same idea which we used in the last problem. So when you know the slope and 2 points, definitely you are going to write m is equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. So this implies cross multiply. So you will get y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. That's it. See, without any difficulty you can get the equation of slope point form as y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So what does this represent? Equation of a straight line with the slope m and the point passing through the point x1 y1. So ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲೇನೋ, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಡೇಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ? Slope as well as a point on the line. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಒರಿಜಿನ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಯು ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, so we understood how to get the equation of a straight line with the slope and the point, and the formula we just now we got as y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So let me explain the same thing with an example. Okay, you must be able to use it. Simply if you don't know the result, proof, it's no use in problem part I am telling. So you should know how to use it. So in this case, question will be like this: find the equation of a line with the slope minus 1 by 3 and passes through the point 1 comma minus 2 is. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹಾಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಸಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ದಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್? x1 y1 ಗಿವನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ಈಸ್ x1 y1 1 comma minus 2 and slope m is equal to minus 1 by 3. Substitute in the above equation, you will get y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1. Remember, just substitution is definitely not enough. Nim full marks sikkalla, just substitute ಮಾಡಿ. You should simplify, and as I told, the final answer must be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Please remember that. Okay, so cross multiply. 3y plus 6 is equal to minus x plus 1. As I told in the previous slide, if the coefficient of x is negative, bring everything from right hand side to left hand side. If the coefficient of x is positive, bring everything from left hand side to right hand side. Illi coefficient of x is negative, so bring everything to right, left hand side. So it become x plus 3y plus 6 minus 1 is equal to 0. So answer is x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. See, this is the final answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. So we completed one more form of equation of straight line, that is a slope point form. Just like this, I'm going to take one more type of the equation of straight line today, that is 2-point form. Okay, the next form of equation of straight line is the third one, 2-point form. So again, the name itself explains that the two given data are 2 points on the line. The statement is like this: the equation of a line that passes through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So again, you may not get question like through that, find or derive anta barbodu. So if ee formula kodala question paper alli, so that you have to remember. Okay, so very simple beginning, just like the previous one. Consider a line that passes through 2 points a of x1 y1 and b of x2 y2. So consider a straight line that passes through the 2 points. One is a of x1 y1 and b of x2 y2. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So as we did in the last three, here also we are going to take the same, one point on the line. Let p of x comma y be a point on the line. Take a point on the line as p of x comma y. So now we have 3 points on the line, 3 points on the same line. So these 3 points are actually a collinear points. So you know, when 3 points are collinear, their slopes are equal. So we can use that condition. So therefore a comma p comma b are collinear points. So a p b are collinear points, right? A p b are collinear points. I'll take this as a, this x1 y1, this point as a p, to get this exact form, otherwise rearrangement work will be there. So if you rearrange like this, there's no rearrangement work. So observe carefully. So a p b are collinear points, therefore slope of AP is equal to slope of AB. So what is slope of AP? Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, okay, equal to, what is slope of AB? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, so this implies we can rearrange like this: y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Done. See, this is a required expression. So what is the equation of a straight line with the slope with the 2 points on the line is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So derivation artha aitalva. So use the condition that 3 points are collinear points. If 3 points are collinear, slope of AP is equal to slope of AB. Got it? Yeah. So now let me take one example to make this work more clear to you. Okay, derivation anyway you should learn properly, because you may get a derivation in exam for 3 marks, remember that. So along with that derivation, you must know how to use this in, as well as how to simplify after substituting the 2-point form. So example will be like this: the equation of a line that passes through 1, 2 and 3, minus 5 is, here find out ಮಾಡೋದು. Here what are the two given data? x1 y1 is given, as well as x2 y2 is given. Okay, so use this formula: y minus y1 you know 2 equal to minus 5 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 into x minus x1. As I told in the previous type, it is not enough if you just substitute. You should simplify, you should complete the work by writing the final answer in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So simplify further, it will be minus 7 by 2 into x minus 1. Cross multiply, 2y minus 4 is equal to minus 7x plus 7. As I told, if the coefficient of x is negative, bring everything from right hand side to left hand side. It becomes 7x plus 2y minus 4 minus 7 is equal to 0. So 7x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0 will be the final answer. So final answer must be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So artha the derivation, 2-point form derivation. Okay, consider 2 points which will be given in the data, okay, as a and b. Take one more point on the same line as p of x comma y, then use a concept that 3 points are collinear, implies slope of 2 lines are same or equal. Use that condition, immediately you will get this formula. Okay, example kelade hage keltare, derive equation of a line that passes through the point, as well as find the equation of the line that passes through the 2 points. So one example, one derivation, they will ask together for 3 marks. Alright, so we have 3 more type of equation of straight line that I will discuss in next class. Thank you.